Hi everyone, Jamie Humphries here and welcome to another lesson where today we're taking a look at Wood by Alice in Chains. So let's kick things off by taking a look at the introduction. I'll play it through for you first of all. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we kick off with harmonics at the 12th fret of the E and the A. Play those twice, and then he plays the E note on the B string, and then the C sharp note on the G string. So we have... It's a little bit of a jump there to get to that. Got the guitar volume back down as well to clean it up slightly. So one more time, let me play that for you. So following on from that harmonic and little chord fill intro, we're into the main intro riff. So what we're going to do here is we're barring across the D and the G string to play an inverted B5 power chord at the 4th fret of the D and the G. And as we strike it, we hammer on to the 6th fret of the G to form an F sharp 5 power chord. Every time you strike, you do the hammer, and then we play this figure, which is an inversion of an E minor, although for this part, we're only playing the G note and the B note. Do you have this? We repeat. Then we slide from the 4. We form a little E minor triad there. We go around again, and then the final time we drop that E minor inverted triad down an octave lower. So we play G, B, and E on the E, A, and D strings respectively. So you slide in from the 2nd fret to the 3rd, and then bar with your 1st finger.